Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your Android is unlocked, the SIM is active, and the phone app has permission to view contacts and call logs. Open the phone app now and keep the number or contact you want to check handy. This step matters because some methods read recent call logs while others inspect a block list in settings. By starting in the dialer, you cover both paths. Once done, proceed to the call log or menu options to find the block controls. You'll now look in two places, the call log and the phone app settings. First, scan recent or call history for the number. If it appears with failed or blocked indications, that's direct evidence. Next, tap the phone app menu, choose settings, then blocked numbers or caller ID and spam because Android stores blocked numbers there. If the person is a saved contact, open contacts, select the contact, then the three-dot menu to see a block option. That confirms a block at the contact level. Finally, verify and resolve. Test by calling or texting from a different number to confirm the block. If messages fail or calls go straight to voicemail, the block is active. To remove it, go back to Settings Block Numbers or open the Contacts menu and choose Unblock. If unblocking doesn't work, reboot the phone, update the phone app or Android system, and make sure carrier-level blocking isn't enabled. If issues persist, contact carrier support because some blocks are imposed network-side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.